Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you're anything like me, a mom juggling busy schedules, screen time battles, and the constant search for meaningful ways to connect with your kids, you know how hard it can be to find the right toy. Not just fun, not just educational, but something that truly holds your child's attention and sparks real joy. That's why I was instantly drawn to the Smartivity DIY Pinball Machine. Priced at $29, it promises more than just play. It invites kids to build, create, and then enjoy the thrilling rewards of their own handmade arcade game. As someone who loves hands-on projects and wants my children to develop confidence through doing, I had to see if this toy lived up to its big promises. What we discovered went far beyond a simple kit. It became a shared journey of building, learning, and bonding. Let me tell you, as a mom who's always on the hunt for toys, Let me tell you, as a mom who's always on the hunt for toys that are fun and actually worthwhile, the Smartivity DIY Pinball Machine has been such a pleasant surprise. My 8-year-old and I decided to give it a try one rainy weekend, hoping it would keep us both entertained, and honestly, it did way more than that. From the moment we opened the box, we were impressed by how neatly everything was packed. The wooden pieces are sturdy, not flimsy at all, and I appreciated that they're made to snap out easily without needing scissors or extra tools. My daughter was able to do most of the prep work herself, which already made her feel proud and involved. The whole process felt like a real project, not just a quick build, and that made it so much more meaningful than your average toy. The thing I love most? The instructions. As a mom, I've dealt with so many easy assembly kits that are anything, and sometimes even I struggle to figure out which piece goes where. But Smartivity totally nailed it. Every step is laid out with clear, step-by-step photos, simple language, and even directional arrows. It truly makes it easy for kids to follow along, even if they're not super experienced builders. My daughter was able to do about 80% of the construction herself, only asking me for help when she needed a hand with aligning parts or fitting in the little rubber connectors. It took us about 3 separate sessions, roughly 2.5 hours total, but it never felt frustrating or overwhelming. If anything, it was kind of nice to have something collaborative that we could look forward to finishing together. Once it was all put together, I'll admit I was surprised by how real it felt. I remember playing pinball at arcades when I was younger, and this toy actually captures that same excitement. There are targets that pop up, bumpers that bounce the ball around, and even a little launcher that works just like the big machines. My daughter squealed the first time she hit a combo and the ball kept going, and truth be told, I found myself cheering too. It's not just a static model, it's a fully functioning game that genuinely feels rewarding to play. Now the whole family takes turns, including her little brother, who may not build it, but sure loves dropping the ball and watching it go wild. It's become a little centerpiece in our playroom. Now, I'll be honest, during our build, one of the rubber connectors didn't quite fit in one of the slots. I won't pretend everything was absolutely flawless, because perfection rarely happens with any DIY toy. But instead of getting irritated, we just paused, adjusted the piece a little. It required a tiny bit of careful sanding, no big deal, and moved on. And honestly, I see that as part of the experience. It taught my daughter patience and problem solving, showing her that even when something doesn't go exactly as planned, you can still figure it out. That's such a valuable lesson, especially for kids who love building things. Overall, the materials are high quality, much sturdier than I expected for the price, and the fact that it's held up through daily play for multiple kids speaks volumes. What really makes this stand out, though, is how it combines learning and fun so seamlessly. I didn't buy it thinking it would be an educational tool, but it definitely is. There's engineering in how the pieces fit together, physics in how the ball moves and bounces, and even math in scoring points during play. But none of that feels forced. It's all embedded in the fun. My daughter doesn't feel like she's learning. She just feels like she built an awesome arcade machine herself. And that pride, priceless. She showed it off to her cousins, explained how it works, and even taught her little brother the rules. It's inspired her to want to try more build it yourself kits, which tells me this is more than just a one time toy. At $29, I'd say this is one of the best toy values we've found all year. It's not something that takes 20 minutes to assemble and gets tossed aside the next day. This required focus, effort, and creativity, and the payoff is lasting fun. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or even a special just because project for a curious, hands-on kid. Whether your child loves Legos, tinkering with gadgets, or simply enjoys a challenge, this pinball machine delivers on every level. I've already caught myself browsing Smartivity's other kits because if they're all this well designed, we're definitely not stopping here. For now, though, we're just enjoying our little family arcade, one satisfying ping at a time. If you're ready to launch some serious family fun, don't just stand there. Hit that like button and subscribe for more toy wins. Let's build a smarter, more playful childhood together, one pinball perfect moment at a time. Trust me, your kids and your inner child will thank you.